In today's web hosting tutorial, how to set up a .t domain. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to .tk, which is the domain name where you set up and register your new domain. First thing you want to do here in this box is put in the domain you want. So we've got verifyjoseph.tk. You don't need to put the .t and k in the end because obviously that's the only thing you register. You just want to click go, and then you'll get this this registration page here. And using your new domain, you can forward it to a current domain. You can use their new site builder, or you can use what we have here, use DNS, which is domain name servers. They do have their own system, but we don't want to use that. We want to jump over to use your own, and we want to put in the 000webhost.com, which is ns01.00webhost.com, and the other one is ns02.00webhost.com. Once you put those in, you can scroll down for our registration length, which is anywhere between 1 month to 12 months. Obviously you can renew these when it expires for free, which is the nice thing. Obviously this domain is a top level free one. Then we just want to put in the code to verify that we are human. Then we just want to scroll down some more, sign in with Facebook, and then it will give you a choice of it may say you already have an existing account, because if you already are logged in. But for me, obviously it's done this here, so we're just going to click sign in. Otherwise you can sign in with things like Google, obviously Facebook, Twitter. There's a lot of things you can log in with, which is quite nice, instead of having to worry about remembering passwords and usernames. So obviously just log me straight in with that, and that'll have thanks you for registering this domain, things you can do with it, sharing options obviously down here. But we're just going to jump over it. You want to log in with my.tk, and then again it'll ask you to sign in or use a email address if you've gone for that option. So once it's done that, you switch you over to login. Obviously now we have welcome to my.tk domain, my name, edit profile, number of domains. So obviously most people it's going to have one there. We're just going to go over to go things. Obviously down here you can see that. And as we already did, we've set up our DNS settings for here. So now we want to go to 000webhost.com's members panel. Once we've done this, we want to, if I just take us back to our list of accounts, which you get when you log in, you want to go create new, which is the simple bit. Once that page loads, I'm just going to copy this. And this will bring up the standard create new page. For here, it'll say, I want to use my own domain. You just want to put in your .t domain name in there. It doesn't matter if it's in capitals or not. And then you just want to put in your password and click set up new domain. Hopefully this will work. As you can see here, the domain has been created. It gives you a username and the password, which is not so good because it shows it in plain text there, and it may take up to a minute to create. As you can see here, you would have seen this anyway if you use subdomains, building status. It used to, unfortunately, had a slower system a couple of years back where it would just list out every domain that was in front of you, so it shouldn't actually take too long. As you can see, it's done it already. So we're going to go to control panel, and as you can see how up here, your domain is not yet pointing to our servers. So this service, such as FTP site builder, this isn't actually true. We've already pointed our this domain to their servers, but what we need to just do now is just click update these settings. It could take, this is the problem here, and doing a video like this, it could take anywhere between 10 minutes to 48 hours to 3 days for it to actually update. So this is sort of the waiting game that you have to do. It could, luckily for us, and unusually quickly, it has actually already done it, which is quite nice. So guys, that is how to set up a .t domain. Obviously from here you can do everything, the file manager, the site builder. Obviously you just log in with all of these settings here. And so obviously here you have all the settings. So that's quite nice. So guys, that's how to set up a .t domain. Remember to rate, comment, subscribe.